back to Crochet Delight. I'm Barbara, this is Honey, and welcome back to another installment of Hot Off the Hook Friday. So today, there's not much that I got done. I got something done way back at the beginning of the week, and then you guys know that I had the giveaway, so I got that yarn done. So I'm going to show you what I got done way earlier, and it's a diamond painting. Let me get it around my wheel. It's the Starry Night diamond painting. It was a little bit of a pain in the butt. A lot of color changing for that, and then I'd miss quite a few little pieces, and then I'd have to go back, find the right color, and re-enter those into the diamond painting. But that was something that I got done Sunday night or sometime around Monday night. One of those. I got it done very early in the week. And then I have the giveaway yarn. I got it all done. It's 100 yards. And this is the colorway Not Today. So this is the colorway that the giveaway winner chose. And I think it looks pretty good. I'm glad that I was able to get the ply to spin up evenly, and I was able to get the majority of this yarn to spin up nice and thin. So it's a little bit of a worsted weight. So got that done, and I'm going to get it out sometime today. So, hi honey. So, Shelly, you'll be getting your giveaway prizes probably sometime within the next week. I know it takes about a week, maybe a little longer to get it. You falling, huh? Yeah. She's a little unhappy, but yet happy at the same time. We have family over, which is why my wheel is out here with me. Yeah, I need a place to be able to work, and this is it. I am out on the porch with my wheel. And Honey, she had fun. We have a Halloween toy that my dad played, and she danced. She actually stomped her little feet to the tune and danced with my dad. So she's having fun while at the same time trying not to bite anybody. But she's just chilling out here with me while I do Hot Off the Hook Friday. So the stuff that I have is pretty much it. I thought you were going to put my thing on. So have a delightful day and happy hooking, everyone.